The best exercises for weight loss. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into the world of weight loss exercises, from cardio to strength training and everything in between. If you're on a journey to shed those extra pounds and boost your fitness, you're in for a treat. Let's explore the best exercises for weight loss and uncover their incredible benefits. 1. Cardiovascular workouts. Cardiovascular exercises, such as jogging, cycling, and jumping jacks, are fantastic for torching calories. They elevate your heart rate, helping you burn fat and improve your cardiovascular health. 2. Strength training. Strength training is your secret weapon for building lean muscle mass, which revs up your metabolism even at rest. Weightlifting and bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups contribute to increased calorie burn. 3. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT workouts combine bursts of high-intensity exercises with short rest periods. This not only saves time but also triggers the afterburn effect, where your body continues to burn calories even post-workout. 4. Functional training. Functional training engages multiple muscle groups while mimicking real-life movements. This boosts your metabolism and helps you build strength that's applicable to everyday activities. 5. Dance workouts. Dance workouts fuse exercise and entertainment. They're an enjoyable way to burn calories, improve coordination, and provide a much-needed mood boost. 6. Core strengthening. A strong core is essential for stability and overall fitness. Core exercises like planks and leg raises engage your abdominal muscles, contributing to a balanced workout routine. 7. Flexibility and mobility. Don't overlook flexibility and mobility exercises like yoga and stretching. They improve range of motion, reduce the risk of injury, and complement other forms of exercise. 8. Conclusion. And there you have it. The best exercises for weight loss, each offering its unique set of benefits. The key is to find a mix that suits your preferences and challenges your body. Remember, consistency is key on your weight loss journey. Thanks for tuning into this exploration of effective weight loss exercises. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and inspiration. Share this video with friends who are on a similar path. And remember, every small step you take gets you closer to your weight loss goals. Keep moving, stay motivated,